So I became intentional about my life in 2020. Now, hey guys, hello beautiful people, it's your girl Karina Blessing. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're stumbling on this video for the very first time or you're seeing this face for the very first time, please do well to hit the subscribe button and also click on the bell notification to keep being notified of all my videos. Happy New Year everybody! I believe this is the very first video on this channel this new year, so that's why I'm getting to wish you guys a big happy new year and welcome to 2023. 2023 is going to be a beautiful year. It's going to be a year of accomplishment if you work towards it. You can't just sit and relax to see 2023 is going to be a good year for you if you don't work towards it. So stand up and go get the bag. Go get the bag. 2023 is beautiful already. It started on a good note for me. I don't know about you. So this video is about the unboxing of my new ring light. This is one of my 2023 goals that is smashed already. So that's why I told you 2023 started on a good note for me. So but before I go towards the unboxing of the ring light, I want to share a little story about myself. So I became intentional about my life in 2020. That's last 3 years. You know, someone that's became intentional, you want to live a life of purpose, a life that is impactful, a life that people will, you know, get to say things about you, good things about you. And it was not really an easy one because I sat down, I was trying to be creative, innovative, on the right path to follow, and then boom, I started my YouTube channel and I'm like, what do I want to talk about on YouTube? Hey, I went through other people's pages on YouTube and wow, they were doing real good, and I'm like, Karina, can you actually do this? Can you actually do this? But in me, I am myself motivator, so I motivated myself. As time went on, I discovered my niche, and that's personal development, self-development. So I started talking about self-development on my YouTube channel, and that's where I launched into PEC show, that's Prominent Educative Karina show on YouTube, where I share educative talk shows, and that went on. Before I knew it, I got my first speaking engagement. That's to talk about I'm forgetting the topic. I think it's positive mindset on a friend podcast. I was a guest speaker on his podcast, and that was mind blowing. When I got the invite to speak on his podcast, I was nervous because I haven't done that before. You know, I've not done that. I've done it before, and I, you know, drafted what I was going to speak in, and God helping me, it came out awesome. That was my first win in the year 2020. By December, I got another speaking engagement to speak in a conference. Hey, that was my physical speaking engagement. That was in Abia State. So I got to the conference, I drafted out what I was going to speak on. I think I spoke on the topic, the science of breaking out of your comfort zone. You know, I was comfortable speaking about that topic because I was once in my comfort zone. You know, comfort zone is a place of relaxation where you feel used to the normal and you think your normal life is very good, and it's just so difficult for you to break out. So it was me, and I gave myself as an example, and you know, shared the little secrets of how I broke out of my comfort zone. So when I was done, hey, I was awed. Like the host was awed too. He was surprised at how I dished value just the very year I started becoming, or I thought of becoming intentional. You know, it's a second win for me. I keep pressing, I kept pressing on, and boom, in the year 2021, I got another speaking engagement to speak in a Facebook group. My friend invited me to speak in a Facebook group. I think what's the topic again? Expanding your circle. I did that, and it was awesome again. That was my third win. I kept on researching, kept on becoming the better version of me. And last year, 2022, I got another speaking engagement to speak in on a webinar. Yes, one of my friends was hosting a webinar on WhatsApp, and I was a guest speaker too. And funny enough, I was the only female amongst 3 male. As usual, I delivered again, and that was the fourth win for me. Same 2022, I was also invited to speak in a conference as at December last year. Although I wasn't able to meet up because of some things that was going on then, so I wasn't able to meet up. But I was invited to speak in that conference. So you see, these 3 years that I chose to be intentional changed every perspective of my life. It changed the perspectives of my life, and it brought me to the world. It brought me to the limelight, that people could say, wow, I want her to speak for me. I want her to come and speak on my platform because I know she can deliver, because she became intentional and she knows what to say. She has the word. She has a lot to offer. So this is just a little advice from me. I wanted to share the story of my life just to encourage someone out there that you can be more in 2023. Forget about what people say about you. Quit the procrastination and focus on being more in 2023. I did it. You can also do it. So that's about that. And let's go on in the launching and unboxing of my new ring light. So hey guys, I am unboxing my ring light. So this is the receipt, and this one was it. Oh god, I was looking and turning just to find out that there's nothing there. And this is I think this is the third receipt. Yeah, and here comes the package. Yeah, this is the third receipt. So here comes the package. More, see the way Jimmy wrapped this thing. You won't even know there's something big inside. So beautiful. So this is what is inside the package. This one I'm holding is the stand, and this is the selfie stand gifted to me. Wow, it's beautiful. Thank you. And here comes my ring light. This is a 10 inches ring light. Whoo, I can't believe this is mine already. I can't believe this is one of my 2023 goals. That is smart. Ta-da! So this is how the ring light looks like. So I didn't get to show you all the process of more. It's not easy, but this is how it looks like. This is how it looks like. So beautiful. That's on today's video look. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit the bell notification to keep you notified of all my videos. You can be more in 2023. You can be the best in 2023. Bye for now.